guys, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on here and show you guys that I really did get my hair done that day. This is like, I think, several weeks later from when I filmed that video. A lot has been going on, y'all. I am so sorry. I apologize that I have not been posting a video. It's hard to, you know, kind of do stuff when you working and have guests, and we're having an internet problem now. It takes forever for it to load and upload, process, and all of that. So I've been struggling, y'all, so just pray for me. So I did get my hair done. I just got off work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this springtime home tour, even though it feels like it's like almost 90 degrees in Oklahoma, so it feels like it skipped spring and went straight to summer, which it usually always do. So don't mind my house right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And things are happening. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. I'll just try to keep you guys as updated as I can. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, advice, tips, tricks, any of that, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye. Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So don't mind my hair. I just took it down. I'm about to get it done today. Easter is tomorrow. It's springtime. It's all nice and sunshiny outside and whatnot. So what this video is going to be is kind of like a spring mini tour, house update, furniture update, that kind of good stuff. I'm really excited about it. It was exciting to, you know, go shopping for like some spring decor, and do different colors and stuff like that. So that's what this video is going to be. Short, quick, and sweet. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is our little dining room area. So this right here is a little arrangement that I made from Dollar Tree. Basically, so I was in like Ross and Home Goods, and I was trying to find a floral arrangement that I liked. I was kind of going with like the coral theme, because I'm doing like the beach theme. So I had this shell right here, and it kind of has like coral in it. So I found these flowers at Dollar Tree, and then I have seashells in the vase, and then I have like a little candle back there. I want to get one of those diamond, like, I don't know about a round one or a square one, but I haven't found one that's like big enough yet. So that's what I'm doing so far with the dining room table. I feel like that's really cute. It's a really cute, you know, floral arrangement. And let me see if I can see. So it's filled with like seashells in there. So babe, you know, thought it was really cute, especially with him being from the Bahamas and all. And I actually got this from the Bahamas, so, and it's real. So yes, I'm so happy about it. I really love this color. I think it's good for spring, and it was nice to kind of, you know, play around with it and you know, have fun with it. So in the living room area, first let me show you guys my bar stools. I finally found some that was just everything, and I feel like it goes great with, you know, the dining room table and chairs. Like, it goes great. I absolutely love them. They're really good quality, nice and sturdy, really cute. And I got them for $100. So 3 of them for $100 from Facebook Marketplace, y'all. Like, I've gotten a lot of stuff from Facebook Marketplace. I got those chairs from Facebook Marketplace. The other chair is over here, and then I got this TV stand from Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, if you guys are like looking for good quality furniture but a good price, like, I would check out Facebook Marketplace in your area, because, you know, some people be having really good stuff. They're moving, or, you know, bought something else new and they're trying to get rid of what they got. Like, I was so happy. I have been looking for the longest for some bar stools, and I finally have them, y'all. They're the perfect height and everything. Absolutely love them. All right, so over here, I bought the coral, and again, my brother-in-law is here from out of town. So that's his stuff over there, if y'all see that over there. And he set up the pillows like this, and I was like, okay. That's a nice, good little twist on it. So I have this throw. I got this throw that goes really good with the coral flowers over there. So I really like this throw. And then I also bought this kind of pillow that has the coral going on with it as well. So I like that. So I wanted it to be like, I wanted the coral to be kind of sprinkled throughout the home. I don't like clutter. I don't like clutter. And so I wanted, you know, hold on, y'all. Let me bring some light in here. Yes. So yes, what I was saying is I just sprinkled the coral like throughout the home. I didn't want there to be clutter. I didn't want there to be a lot of, you know, a lot of stuff going on. So you'll see seashells and coral sprinkled throughout the house. So again, we have this set up here on the dining room table. I absolutely love this. This is probably like my favorite part, because for the longest I was looking for a floral arrangement that I liked, and I ended up making this by myself from Dollar Tree, and I feel like that's the best one that I've seen. So again, we have the bar stools, and then we have our beautiful throw right here. And then we also have our happily ever after pillow that has it has a little pink in there, but it's mostly coral too. So I really like that. And then up around the fireplace, we didn't do too much. I got this little floral candle. This is See the Good. And then one of my favorites is this seashell picture frame that Babe got from the Bahamas. So yeah, we got seashells kind of going, theme kind of going all throughout the house with coral. So I really like that. I really do. I think that looks really, really good. I love it. It's not too crazy. It's simple, but it still goes with the theme. Like I said, I don't want clutter. I didn't want to go overboard and crazy with it. So I just changed this picture frame, added a simple candle. I bought, you know, one simple pillow, bought a simple throw, but for the most part, it's still basically the same. You know what I mean? Just adding a pop of color. I haven't really added anything to the kitchen. I really don't have like towels and stuff. Like, I don't do that. But I may buy like a coral towel or something. I don't know. And then I just love my bar stools. Y'all don't even understand how long I have been looking for some good quality bar stools that like was quality in the color that I wanted. So yes, then we have this here. And then in the bathroom, we have coral and seashell in here as well. So we have this towel right here that kind of has like sea design or whatever on it. And then we have my seashell jewelry, the box that Babe got me. That was already right there, but it just fit in great with the theme. And then we also have our coral towels. I wish I had another one to where I could put it on top of this to make it go with it. But they only had one of those, and I wanted a pattern So yes, you guys, this is just, you know, for spring. I did a little something something. It doesn't have to be extra or crazy or anything like that, just a few touches. We got seashell there, we got coral here, coral there. So that's the bathroom. I didn't really change too much. And then we have our beautiful floral arrangement and table centerpiece here. And then just some little stuff all throughout the house, you guys. Like, with decorating for spring, I feel like it doesn't have to be like something crazy. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like you can decorate your home for cheap, honestly, and it can still be cute, and it can bring in the spring vibes, because that's what I wanted. I wanted to kind of brighten it up a little bit. The bathroom is kind of hard because it's so dark in there. There's no window or anything in there, and then the cabinets are dark. So that is something that I know that I want in my house when we move, is that I want light cabinets, because I want it to be as bright as possible so I can do any kind of color. So yes, you guys, let me make sure I didn't zoom in all crazy. Okay. Alright, you guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.